Hey, this is Jessica with Food Foundation, and I have a ton of lemons. Do you have a ton of lemons? Are you wondering what to do with them? Let's make preserved lemons super easy, and you can use them year-round. In the winter, or coming out of winter, our lemon trees are making lemons like crazy. But in the summer, when we really want lemons for that recipe, we never have any and we have to buy them at the store for a pretty price. I love to make preserved lemons, and as soon as you figure out how, you're gonna love to make them too. It is so easy. All you need is a ton of lemons, maybe even just 5 to make a jar this size, but you can make 6 of these and make gifts for all your friends. They make amazing gifts. And salt. It's literally that easy. It's really important to have vitamin C, I think right now, especially when we're coming out of shelter in place and we want to be boosting our immune system. So we want lemons in almost every one of our dishes. And as soon as you're going to make a chicken and you stuff it full of preserved lemons or a tagine or a stew, you don't have to use as much salt. You're gonna love this recipe. Let's see how to do it. I think it works best with Myer's lemons, so just start slicing them, and you're gonna cover every 5 lemons with about a 1/4 cup of salt. It's gonna feel like a ton, don't worry, they will be fine. Start with at least a tablespoon to 2 at the bottom of the jar, and add some fun spices. I like clove and coriander and cardamom, maybe a bay leaf, anything that you like. And then start pounding the lemons into the jar to release the juice so that all of the lemons are covered by liquid. That way they won't get moldy. Finish off with the spice and the salt and use a weight. I have a glass weight, you could use a stone to make sure everything is submerged. That's basically it. Leave it on the counter for about a week and then it will store for up to 6 months in the fridge. I hope you found that inspiring and are ready to make your own preserved lemons. I have so many more health tips for you. Please subscribe to my channel below and you'll be the first to get the videos. Thanks for watching. That are growing on your trees or your neighbor's trees into an awesome preserved lemon jar that you can use for the rest of the season. Okay, I'm gonna do that again.
Yes, you are.
Too much tequila.